Are you pent up, stressed and tired of all the homeschooling you've been having to do during this most recent lockdown? Are you sick of the bad back that you now have from multiple days in a row of shoveling snow off of your pathways and gardens, finding yourself unable to join in with the snowball fights with the local kids? Are you suffering with painful shoulder issues as a result of working from home and sitting at your dining room table for hours upon hours in the day?
Then we have the perfect solution for you! Introducing the Valentines Massage Pack exclusively at BodyWell. By purchasing one of our 30-minute massage sessions at standard members' rates, you get a 30-minute massage for just a $5. Wait, is that right? Oh, it is? Wow. And that's not all. That £5 will be donated to a local charity to help those less fortunate through the cold winter months. Wrapped with love and care into this beautiful envelope, this gift is perfect for the love in your life, or even as a treat for yourself. Our team of highly trained professional massage practitioners are here for you, ready to iron out all those aches and pains that have been plaguing your body for months. But don't just take our word for it. Listen to what these 100% authentically real local people have to say about their Valentine's massage experience.
I've been homeschooling for 2 months. I've been working from home and I've been shoveling snow. And the BodyWell massage. It was amazing.
I've just had my BodyWell Valentine's massage and I feel phenomenal. To be quite frank, it's the best I've felt since '86.
I never seen or experienced anything like this back down in Texas. These Valentine's massages, man, they're the bomb. They improved my touchdown percentage by 400%.
So what are you waiting for? You want to be at your best when teaching your children maths equations and furthering their education? You want to be at your best when the next snowfall hits and you can show those pesky neighborhood kids who's boss in a snowball fight? And of course you want to be much more comfortable and pain-free when working from home for however long Boris deems it necessary. Don't delay! There are only 17 Valentine's massages left, so call the number on your screen now to reserve yours today. Or if you can't get through, email us at this address and we'll reserve yours for you. BodyWell's Valentine's Massages. It's time to love your body more.
Warning, may cause side effects such as improved circulation, improved immune function, increased mobility and flexibility, better night's sleep, easier breathing, reduced stress levels, and possibly addiction to more massages.